This is not one of my recipes. This is from a lady called Haghineh. I think it's called Haghineh Cooking Show, her channel. I have mushrooms, large portobello mushrooms. I have bulgur wheat, which is the medium, not the fine or the coarse. And then I have some aubergines, eggplants, which I roasted. I roasted them with no salt or oil. I just drizzled some lemon juice on top and put some spices. Also, I'll use lemon juice instead of salt. The spices I'm using black pepper, cumin, some chili flakes, some onion flakes, and I'm going to use some garlic powder as soon as I find it. And for the sauce, it's going to be lemon, tahini, and garlic. Roasted garlic. Actually, I'll use roasted garlic rather than garlic powder. So I'm going to spice the bulgur wheat. Lemon. Okay, this is the roasted garlic. Some black pepper. Some cumin. A little bit of chili flakes. Some onion flakes. And mix. Just gonna taste to see. Yeah. Fill the mushrooms. Cover with the aubergines. I did not make enough aubergines, so what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? I'm gonna use an uncooked zucchini because they cook very quickly. So hopefully they will be cooked by the time. Okay. And the mini sweet peppers. Mini sweet pepper. I'm using some more lemon. And I'll put it in a hot oven for about 20 minutes. I'll come back when it's ready. Okay, so for the sauce we have tahini. I'm using 2 tablespoons. I don't usually measure. I just pour it, but just so that you know. Okay, and these are 3 cloves of roasted garlic. You can also use fresh garlic. Okay. And some cumin. The spices, you spice it as you want. Okay? These are the spices that I like. You do you. Some black pepper. This is hot smoked paprika. Lemon. And mix. Okay, you can see that when you add the lemon to the tahini, it kind of almost solidifies. So I'm using parsley here. You can use whatever you want. Or you can just omit it completely.